Alright fellas, let's have a real talk. We spend so much time making sure our suits are sharp, our shoes are shined, our fades are fresh. We do all that because we understand that presentation matters. But when was the last time you thought about your lips? A lot of brothers are walking around with lips that look like they just wrestled a bag of asphalt. Your lips are one of the first things people notice when you talk. You're closing a big deal, delivering the pitch of a lifetime. You want them hanging on your every word, not distracted by cracked, peeling lips. Or maybe you're out on a date, leaning in to make a good impression. Taking care of your lips isn't about being soft in the weak sense. It's about being sharp, detailed, and on top of your game. A man who masters the details is a man who masters his life. Let's get you right. So you're ready to get those smooth, healthy, kissable lips. Good. The first step is the easiest one, but it's the one most men skip. Cleansing. Use lukewarm water. This helps get rid of surface dirt, old product, food residue. Next up, exfoliation. Game changer. Slough off dead, dry skin, prevent chapped, rough lips. Brown sugar, olive oil, honey. Mix into a paste. Gently rub in circular motions for about a minute. Don't go to town, be gentle. Rinse with warm water, pat dry with a soft towel. Moisturizing, the grand finale. This is non-negotiable. Use a quality lip balm. Look for shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E. Morning after brushing teeth, night before bed. Nighttime is critical, healing during sleep. It's that simple. Cleanse, exfoliate a few times a week. Moisturize every single day. That's the foundation. That's how you build a powerful smile. Now let's talk about the secret sauce, the little extras that take your lip game from good to great. Almond oil, jojoba oil. These oils are fantastic because they're similar to the natural oils your skin produces, so they absorb easily. Another powerhouse from Mother Nature is honey. Raw honey is a natural humectant, which means it pulls moisture from the air right into your lips. You can apply a thin layer of raw honey to your lips and just let it sit for about 15 minutes. Yeah, you might feel a little silly, but the results are no joke. For a little brightening action, a tiny bit of lemon juice mixed with honey can help. But be careful with this one. The two biggest enemies of healthy lips are the sun and the weather. So when you buy a lip balm, find one that has SPF 30 or higher. In the winter, you gotta be extra vigilant with your lip balm. Reapply it throughout the day, especially before you step outside. You're building a fortress of protection around your lips. A little bit of prevention goes a long, long way in keeping them soft, pink, and ready for anything. The number one habit you need to get right is hydration. Drink your water, man. When you're dehydrated, your lips are one of the first places it shows. Carry a water bottle with you. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Stop picking at your lips and stop licking them. When you invest time and effort into your appearance, you're saying, I am worthy of this care. That belief radiates outward. People feel it. Your handshake gets firmer, your eye contact gets stronger, and your smile becomes a genuine reflection of the pride you have in yourself. Self-care is a form of strength. It's a man's game. Having soft, healthy, and kissable lips is about showing up as the complete, polished, high-value man you are. It says you're a man who understands that power is in the details. So go ahead, get that scrub, buy that balm, and drink that water. Take pride in your smile. Because when you feel good about every part of yourself, there is absolutely nothing you can't conquer. Now go handle your business.